Good day, everyone. Now I'm going to present our topic, the NanoSub Plum Project. Our group consists of Mohammad Rafiq, Nurnisa, Gaji Samia, and myself, Anuna Saha. Here is our table of contents. Introduction. Malaysia is the second leading producer of the palm oil worldwide and supplying around third of the world palm oil. As one of the Malaysian primary industry, palm oil contributes to 2.5% of the overall GDP domestic product, valued 34.79 billion ringgit. Production is concentrated in Peninsula Malaysia, where half of the palm oil planted areas are found. The largest single export market for the Malaysian palm oil are the China and the India, while the countries of the European Union made up its largest import region. In the problem statement, the palm oil production is being threatened by the basal stem rot disease, the most destructive disease in the palm oil caused by the Gandroma bonacensis, especially in the Malaysia and the Indonesia. Further invasion of the BSR can kill 80% of the palm oil plants, leading to the reduced the crop yield and the economic loss. Current control of the measure for BCR are limited and often rely on the chemical pesticide, which has a adverse environmental and the health impact. As from the prediction, there will be massive loss with the palm oil industry losing around 4.5 billion per year if the bees remain untreated. There is a need for the effective environmental friendly and suitable solution to combat the bees and protect the palm oil trees throughout the growth stage. Now I'm going to describe about the uniqueness of our product, the NanoSub Plum Protect. NanoSub Plum Protect is less hazardous compared to the chemical and the other traditional pesticide. It is very effective in the small amount that helps to reduce the cost. This pesticide target only the specific pest and will not cause harm any other animals. It also helpful for the environment and it is very user friendly pesticides for the environment and the animal health and reduce the harmful pesticide uses to the environment.
Now I will briefly explain the production process of our biopesticide. The production of our microbial biopesticide involves several steps to ensure the quality and effectiveness of the final product. First, we will cultivate Bacillus subtilis in a nutrient-rich medium under carefully controlled conditions, such as the temperature, pH, and agitation at optimum condition. Next, we will use fermentation process to promote bacterial growth and obtain a high concentration of spores and metabolites. After the fermentation process is completed, we will harvest the bacterial cells and spores through centrifugation or filtration. Then we will subject the collected materials to various drying techniques such as spray drying or freeze drying to produce a stable and long-lasting powder. These drying techniques help to preserve the viability and activity of the bacterial cells and spores, which is essential for the biopesticide's efficiency. We also use nanotechnology to enhance the biopesticide delivery and effectiveness in treating basal stem rot in oil palm. We prepare a nanosuspension of the powdered biopesticide using a top-down method, which is a high-pressure homogenization. The homogenization process will apply high pressure to the bacterial suspension, causing the bacterial cells to break down into smaller particles with a reduced size range, typically less than 100 nanometers. The homogenization process will be repeated multiple times to ensure a uniform and stable nanosuspension. Next, to maintain the stability of the nanosuspension, a suitable stabilizer will be added to the homogenized bacterial suspension, such as polysorbate 80. The final product will then undergo quality control tests to ensure its efficacy, stability, and safety. Finally, we will package the biopesticide in suitable containers with clear instructions for use and storage. We will conduct rigorous quality control tests to ensure that the biopesticide's purity, potency, and safety. Our production process is ensured to be scalable and can meet the demand for large-scale application in oil palm plantation. What are the science behind NanoSub? First is vessel stem rot in oil palm trees. Vessel stem rot is caused by Ganoderma ordinance, which is a destructive white rot fungus in oil palm trees. BSR occurs when the fungus breaks down lignin in wood and leading to water stress and nutrient deprivation in xylem. Symptoms of Ganoderma ordinance include the presence of fruiting body, yellowing and necrosis of all the leaves, and the darkening of cortical tissue. Next is the role of Bacillus subtilis in treating BSR. Bacillus subtilis is an enophytic bacterium that can be used as a biological control against Ganoderma boninense. Based on previous research, Bacillus subtilis inhibits Ganoderma boninense growth by 50% to 55% and suppress the fungal growth by 8.13% to 49.38%. This is because Bacillus subtilis produce antifungal metabolites such as glucanase and chitinase that exhibit activity against Ganoderma boninense. Lastly is nanotechnology, which is a technology involved manipulating materials at nanoscale level. To achieve this, we are using high pressure homogenization to create nanosuspension formulation, which make our nanobiopesticide, when it have small particles, high surface area to volume ratio, biodegradability, improved mobility, and lower toxicity.
Now, let's move on to the next part of which is market demand and analysis. The global biopesticide market size is expected to grow from 2023 and reach 13.38 million US dollar by 2028 at a compound annual growth rate of 15.10% during the forecast period of 2033 to 2038. This growing demand may be due to the fact that more than 45% food has lost because of pest infestation, and more than 35% of agricultural produce are affected by chemical pesticide. As a result, farmers are becoming more aware of the benefits of biopesticide. Another factor for this demand is that the Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil Organisation (MSPO) requires plantation owners to implement good agricultural practice (GAP) in order for a plantation to be certified sustainable. Hence, using biopesticide can help them achieve this certification easier. Looking at the global market, the top three exporters of biopesticide in the world are China, USA, and Germany, while the top players are Sumitomo Chemicals, BASF-SE, Syngenta AG, Bayer CropScience, and FMC Corporation. Thanks to this growing industry, we believe that our transition into the local market and later on to the global ones will be more accessible, with our target users being palm oil plantation owners and managers.
Now I'll discuss the marketing strategies of NanoSub. First and foremost will be our customers. Our primary focus will be on retailers, pesticide wholesalers, and palm tree plantation owners. Next, we are looking at the NanoSub Palm Protect packaging. Our product will be available in two sizes, the 1 liter and 500 milliliter bottles made from recycled plastics, following our aim towards a greener future. The packaging sizes were determined in accordance with the need for biopesticides per hectare of palm tree plantation. In terms of our distribution channels, our product will be available on both offline and online platforms. Offline channels will include retail and wholesale stores, while the online channels will include everyone's favorite social media and e commerce platforms. Last but not least will be the cost and price. We are planning to sell our product at an affordable price compared to other biopesticides brands out there, while offering both online and offline promotions to attract more customers. Meet the team behind NanoSub. Our executive team consists of individuals with extensive experience in the biotechnology and environmental sustainability sector. We have three head managers who report to our CEO, Muhammad Rafiq. The head managers are the head of human resources, Noor Nisa, head of marketing and finance, myself, Nisma Noor, and head of research and development, Aluna Saha. Part-time roles at the customer service desk will be staffed on an as-needed basis and will report to the head of marketing and finance, which is me. And all of our team members possess diverse backgrounds in biotechnological sciences, ranging from industrial to environmental fields of study. In NanoSub, we believe that a cohesive and high performing team is a valuable asset that can drive success and competitive advantage for the organization. And an effective leader provides a clear vision, inspires innovation, and guides the team towards achieving the company goals. Our leader fosters a positive work environment, encourages collaboration, and ensures that everyone is aligned and working towards a common purpose. And for that, we also need strong teamwork that enables effective problem solving and enhances the ability to adapt to any changing circumstances within the organization itself. Also, communication is a critical aspect of our team as it enables effective coordination, collaboration, and understanding within the company. So, clear and open communication channels foster a positive and productive work environment because strong communication skills facilitate the exchange of ideas, feedback, and information among team members, promoting transparency, trust, and efficient decision making. Not only that, each members of our team brings specific expertise and the collective knowledge of this team contributes to development, improvement, and application of biopesticide formulation. As sharing knowledge, staying updated with the latest research, and continuous learning within the team will help maintain competitiveness and innovation in the industry. Our team is also highly motivated
And this team is passionate, committed, and proactive in their roles, fostering a positive and energized work environment, boosting productivity and engagement. We are a team of professionals that uphold integrity, respect, and accountability in our interactions and work. We prioritize quality, safety, and compliance with regulations, and professionalism enhances the company's reputation, builds trust with stakeholders, and ensures a positive image in the industry itself. These team strengths collectively contribute to the overall success, productivity, and growth of our company. So, by leveraging leadership, fostering teamwork, promoting effective communication, harnessing knowledge, maintaining motivation, and upholding professionalism, our team can overcome any challenges, drive innovation, and achieve sustainable outcomes in the biopesticides industry. And with that, I end our presentation today. Thank you all for listening.